What's shaking? We're here at the Grand Pavilion, here at the Food and Wine Classic in Aspen. We're at the Department of Mixology. I'm David, this is Steven. We are recreating a Tiki Oasis. We're going full Tiki this year at Aspen Food and Wine. What are you going to make for us, Steven?
Today we're making a Jalisco Havoc, one of our brand new Tiki cocktails that we created really to show a new product that we're launching, which is Patrón Citron Pineapple. We're very excited about it, and I'm really excited to show you how to make this cocktail. Want me to jump into it?
Let's do it.
Awesome. Sweet. We're going to start off by adding in our tequila. We're going to take 2 ounces of añejo tequila. This is our delicious aged tequila. For Tiki cocktails, aged tequila is definitely where you want to go. Silver definitely adds a lot of great flavors to it, but a lot of aged rums are used, and so aged tequila is a good contributing factor as well. What else do I need?
So the exciting thing is Aspen Food and Wine, we are debuting Patrón Citron Pineapple. This is our first new pineapple liqueur, a new flavor for us in a long time, and you're getting to see it here for the first time. This is our tequila-based pineapple liqueur. Patrón Citron Pineapple making its public debut here at the Food and Wine Classic in Aspen.
We're putting in 1 ounce of that. Then we're going to add in some pineapple juice just to give it an extra pineapple kick. We're going to do 2 ounces of that.
One of the great things about Aspen is we kind of get an opportunity to show off all the new toys that we have. And check this out, we've come out with a piña tiki mug. When you're trimming the agave to prepare it to make tequila, you actually cut off the petals, and what you end up with is this kind of pineapple looking thing conveniently called a piña. And we've taken that shape out of nature and out of tequila production and turned it into a drinking vessel. We've also got another little training tool here. In tequila production, we call this the koa. The jimadores, who are the producers who trim the agaves, use this long wooden handle with a blade and trim the piña. We're bringing it to life here in your tiki mug. Man, that looks good, Steven. I feel refreshed already. I don't know about you.
This looks awesome. It smells amazing. Really, really great.
Bright, tropical, luscious.
I'm going to top it off with a little bit more crushed ice.
Crushed ice in there.
Beautiful.
Of course, it's not a tiki drink unless you garnish it. What else we got? A little edible flour. I think there's Havoc going on right here.
There is, absolutely. And there you have it, the Jalisco Havoc.
You can find this recipe and many, many more at our cocktail website, cocktaillab.com.
Come on down and see us.